Integra. Cooling tower maintenance, preventing scale, corrosion, and Legionella. The problem: cooling towers face constant water quality threats. Scale reduces efficiency and increases energy use. Corrosion weakens structures and risks system failure. Unchecked systems may spread Legionella bacteria. The solution: regular chemical treatment controls scale and corrosion. Disinfection prevents Legionella and protects health. Monitoring ensures towers operate safely and efficiently. The benefits: longer system life and reduced maintenance costs. Lower energy bills through efficient operation. And compliance with health and safety regulations. Integra Water expertise. Integra delivers complete cooling tower solutions. Treatment, monitoring, and compliance all in one. Peace of mind for your facility. Keep your cooling towers safe and efficient. Contact Integra Water for tailored solutions. Integra. Committed to our customers, our people, our solutions,